Kusenjalo umndeni nabangani baka-Olorato babambe umkhuleko namuhla. Umndeni uthi kusazoba nzima ukudlulisa lokho okwenzekile. Umama wakhe uthi ubesalindele okuningi kundodakazi yakhe.
She left a void in the family, and already we can feel that void. Yesterday when we were all celebrating her life, I could already feel that something is missing, which was Olorato. And we were honestly looking forward to more achievements as she was doing her master's right now. She was already talking about doing her PhD after completing her master's.
U-Olorato ukhunjulwe njengomuntu obenothando nobengasabi ukuzwakalisa imizwa yakhe.
ULorato ubingumntana onothando, ubingumntana onenhlonipho, ubingumntana esithi tata umuntu wonke, esithi mama kumuntu wonke, ubingumntana ebenamaphupha amakhulu, ubingumntana nje wethu ebenothando. Into ehleleyo kuye, she doesn't deserve it.
Isidumbu sika-Olorato sitholakala silahlwe eLombard West eGoli ngesonto ngemuva kwamahora amabili kubikwa ukuthi unyamalele. U-Olorato uzofihlwa eBloemfontein ngempelasonto.